Yeah, good evening. Back with our class. We are supposed to do a problem, which I said, which is problem number, I don't know, 11, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are supposed to do problem number 11, which says that the average atomic mass of a sample of element is 16.2 U. So, your average atomic mass is how much? 16.2 U. This I told you to try. If you can't try, I said I will explain. And that particular part, Pradhanya learned it very well. Okay? So, we said that the average atomic mass of an element X is 16.2. What are the two isotopes of X? The first isotope X 16.8 and second X 18.8. Okay, these are the two isotopes. So, what is my formula? My formula is 16.2 is equal to percentage by 100 into 16 plus percentage by 100 into 80. Now, I do not know the percentage. So, I will say let the percentage of first isotope be X. Correct? Let the percentage or therefore the percentage of second isotope be how much? 100 minus X. Correct? Because both together should be what? 100%. So first isotope let it be X, second isotope let it be 100 minus X. Now substituting it in this formula, I will get 16.2 is equal to X by 100 into 16 plus 100 minus X by 100 into 80. Correct? So, I can write here 16.2 is equal to 16x by 100 plus 1800 minus 18x by 100. Correct? I have just opened the bracket and multiplied. So, I can also write this as 16.2 is equal to 16x plus 1800 minus 18x by 100. I can write like this because it is the same common denominator. So I can cross multiply. So I get 16.2 into 100 is equal to 16x plus 1800 minus 18x. 16.2 into 100 is 1620 is equal to 6 minus the one would like minus 1800 manda is equal to 16x minus 18x. Is ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 180 is equal to minus 2x. So, Pradhanya ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ. So you get minus 180 by minus 2 is equal to x. So this will get as what? 90% is equal to x. So the first isotope percentage is what? 90. So the percentage of second isotope? 100 minus x. So 100 minus 90. So how much? 10%. Understood how to do it? Okay. Now write one more question based on fractional atomic mass. ರಾಹುಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಬರೀದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಆಗೋದೇ ಬರೀ ದಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ of a sample of element X the average atomic mass mass of a sample of element X is 23.04 U. This is average atomic mass. Question bari na step bari. The average atomic mass of a sample of element X is 23.04 U. What are the percentages of isotopes? What are the percentages of isotope X 2311 and X 2411 in the sample? 2311 and 2411 in the sample. Understood this? So you have an average atomic mass of 23.04 U. You have two isotopes 2311 and 2411 in the sample. What I have to find out? I have to find out percentage of both. So first thing, let the percentage of the first isotope. Isotope spelling in ISO na?
Yes, ma'am. ISOTOP.
Isotope be X. Therefore, the percentage of second isotope be 100 minus X. Correct? So 23.04 is equal to percentage to X by 100 into 23 plus 100 minus X by 100 into 24. So it becomes what? 23.04 is equal to 23x by 100 plus 2400 minus 24x by 100. This can be written as 23.04 is equal to 23x plus 2400 minus 24x by 100. So you get 2304 is equal to 23x plus 2400 minus 24x. So 2304 minus 2400 is equal to minus x. Subtract madro.
It equals 96.
Na it's subtraction here.
96.
96. So this is 96 minus is equal to minus x. So x is equal to how much percentage? 96%. So the second isotope is equal to 100 minus x, which is equal to what? 100 minus 96, which is equal to how much percentage? 4%. See, it is a very simple calculation and very pyara sa calculation, not like your math, but you should write all the steps. Then only you get marks. Yagar sidre steps so marks barala. Okay. Now the last part of your chemistry, 9th standard syllabus. Please write. Now copy aito. Kani intera bandidini andre agogi. Ikkada rap madla. So we have to study something which is called as what? Isobars. Okay. We have to study something which is called as isobars. What were isotopes? Isotopes were same elements having same atomic number but different atomic mass. Were called as isotopes. Why Why did they occur? Due to difference in the number of neutrons. Now we will talk about what? Isobars. Isobars are different elements. They are different elements having same mass number. Okay? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ, ಈಗ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್. Having same atomic mass but different atomic numbers. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? What are isobars? Different elements having different atomic numbers but same atomic mass are called isobars. Difference clear? What was this? Same element having same atomic number but different atomic mass. What is this? Different element having different atomic number but same atomic mass are called isobars. Fine? Right. Different elements having different atomic number and same atomic mass are called isobars. Example, what is Ar? Argon. What is Ca? Calcium. Argon and calcium are isobars to each other. Argon and calcium are isobars to each other. Fine? Please write. ಇದು ಬರ್ದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 18. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 20. ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ 18. ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ 20. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 40 minus 18. 40 minus 18 ಎಷ್ಟು? 22. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ 40 minus ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ 40 minus 20. Okay, so this finishes your entire 9th standard chemistry. This is what we were supposed to study. Adrallu last 2 chapters carry more weightage than the first chapter what you studied. Artha aita? So mole concept, formula of elements, atomicity, adella tumba important, and structure of atom. So 3 chapters out of this is very, very important. Okay, after this I will try to finish bio, and then those who come here, if you are not ready with chapters, I will not revise. I have to revise? No, I will not revise until and unless you all say this week we will study motion and come, then only I will revise. If you don't, I will not, because there is no point. It will be again reteaching, which is of no use. So I will sit in your place and you will do what I did. And we will again record it so that everybody knows. When you can read, everybody else can read. Done? Deal? Chalo. Abhi exercise questions and in-text question. In-text question ಮಾಡ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದು. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ? In-text question first ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page number 47.
47 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ? ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ರೇಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೀನಾ? ಹೇಳಿದೀನಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ರೇಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ಇದು if an atom contains 1 electron and 1 proton, will it carry any charge or not? No charge, because the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons. Next question is page number 49, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. Electron, proton, other mele. Okay. On the basis of Thomson's model of atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. Okay, so right. According to Thomson's model of atom, model of atom. An atom consists of a positively charged sphere. An atom consists of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. Consists of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. So the atom as a whole, is electrically neutral. Yeah. According to Thomson's model of atom, an atom consists of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. The negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. So the atom as a whole under WHOLE, completely as a whole, is electrically neutral. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? What did we say? We explained again the Thomson's model of atom, that an atom is a ball of positively charged particles with electrons embedded in it. The total number of positive charged particles should be equal to the total number of negatively charged particles, and hence atom is what? Electrically neutral. Next question anyway. On the basis of Rutherford model of atom, which subatomic particle is present in the nucleus of an atom? Which subatomic particle is present? Proton. Correct. Proton is present in the nucleus of an atom. Draw a sketch of Bohr's model of an atom with 3 shells. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ proton, neutron. First shell will have how many electrons? 2. Second will have how many? 8. And the third we can have 1 or 2, any example, but name the element. 281 andre sodium, 282 andre magnesium. Fine. What do you think would be the observation if the alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out using a foil of metal other than gold? Why did we use gold?
Because it can be malleable substance.
It is the most malleable substance. Please write. Write your answer. It is a very important question. Please write. We used, or Rutherford used, gold foil and the observations were made as gold is a highly malleable metal. As gold is a highly malleable metal. If we use a foil of metal other than gold, then the correctness of the experiment then the correctness of the experiment decreases. Which would ultimately result in a wrong model of an atom. Which will ultimately result in a wrong model of an atom. Gotaita? Because the results will not be correct. Now the next one. Name the 3 subatomic particles. What are the
Proton, neutrons, and
electron, proton and neutron. Electron discovered by proton by Goldstein and neutron by Chadwick. Okay. Helium atom has an atomic mass 4. Let us do this part. Helium atom has an atomic mass 4. So we will write first atomic mass is 4. What else it tells? It tells that it has how many electrons? 2 protons in the nucleus. So number of protons 2. Therefore, what will be the number of electrons? 2. So what will be the number of neutrons? P plus N is equal to 4. 2 plus N is equal to 4. So N is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. The number of neutrons is 2. Done. Come to the next one. Write the distribution. Come to page number 50. Write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atom. Marsidini. There be help korta idini again. Carbon. Eshtappa number. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. 6. So what will be it? 2 and 4. K shell 2, L shell 4. Sodium. Eshto? 11. So K shell 2, L shell 8, M eshto? 1. So 2, 8, 1. Done. Next, if K and L shells of an atom are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in an atom? 10. If K and L shells of an atom are full, what will be the atom? So you will write K will have 2 electrons, L will have 8 electrons. So total number of electrons 10. So you will have how many electrons? 10 electrons. Okay? The next one. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? Ella marsidini munche. So first we will talk about chlorine. Chlorine is what? 17. Configuration you know. 2, 8, 7. Valency 1. Why 1? 8 minus 7. Next you know sulfur.
It is not sulfur.
Sulfur you know 16. 16 under you know 2, 8, 6. ಎಷ್ಟು valency? 2. Next you know magnesium 12. 2, 8, 2. Valency 2. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು 2, 8, 2. Correct? Let us go to the next part of the question. If number of electrons in an atom is 8, number of proton is also 8, then what is the atomic number of an atom? Number of electrons is 8. Number of proton is also 8. What is the atomic number? 8. And what is the charge of the atom? 8 electron, 8 proton. Charge? No charge. Very. With the help of table 4.1, find out the mass number of oxygen and sulfur. Where is 4.1? Which table is 4.1?
On this table.
This table is 4.1. Now what we have to find out? The mass number, no? Mass number of oxygen and sulfur. Oxygen hogi pa. Mass number is number of protons plus neutrons. So, number of protons is 8. Number of neutrons is 8. So, mass number 16. 8 plus 8, 16. Next year, no?
Sulfur.
Sulfur. Sulfur is 16. Illa, sulfur is 32. 16 plus 16, 32. 16 plus 16, 32. Aita, shall we go to the next one? From the symbol H, D and T, tabulate the 3 subatomic particles found in each one of them. Okay. Now what is H, D and T? This I didn't explain while explaining the isotopes of hydrogen. Okay. We studied what? H11, H21,
3, 1.
H31. This is called proton or protonium. Okay, this is called deuterium. And this is called tritium. बताया? So H hydrogen, D deuterium, T tritium. Clear? So what are the total number of electron, protons and neutrons in it? Electron 1, proton 1, neutron 0. Here it is what? Electron 1, proton 1, neutron 1. Here electron 1, proton 1, neutron 2. This is what they are asking you to write. So H21 is called deuterium and represented as D. H31 is called tritium and represented as T. And this is represented as H, hydrogen. Please write. Write fast.
Shall we pause?
No, we'll finish. Okay. The last one of this, you can write. First look here, then write that. Write the electronic configuration of any one pair of isotopes and isobar. You can write no configuration. We will discuss this tomorrow. Tomorrow you come for one more class and that will end our chemistry portions. Thank you.